We've all heard the usual advice about manifesting money. Visualize your goals, affirmations, and maybe even vision boards. But what if I told you there are some weird and unconventional tricks that can actually help you manifest money today? Yep, you heard that right. These aren't your typical manifestation tips. In fact, they might even sound a little strange, but that's exactly why they work. Let's face it, when it comes to manifesting wealth, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and grind, thinking that money is just out of reach. But what if the key to unlocking more abundance lies in shifting your mindset and behavior in unexpected ways? Today, I'm sharing 3 strange yet powerful tips that can help you manifest money faster than you ever thought possible. So, if you're tired of waiting for that breakthrough, or you're ready to try something new and get results now, keep reading. These tips are easy to implement. They don't require any special skills, and best of all, they work. Ready to attract some serious cash? Let's dive in. When it comes to manifesting money, it's common to focus on a specific amount in your bank account. However, this narrow focus can limit the flow of abundance into your life. Instead of simply imagining a dollar figure, try something more powerful. Visualize the lifestyle you would live if you had that money. Manifesting isn't just about the money itself. It's about the experiences and feelings that come with it. Imagine waking up in your dream home, the sunlight streaming through large windows as you sip your morning coffee in a beautiful kitchen. Picture yourself driving a new car, the one you've always wanted, feeling the smoothness of the drive and the excitement of finally having it. Think about the vacations you would take, exploring exotic locations, relaxing on a beach, or hiking through mountains with no financial worries holding you back. These are the things that money enables you to experience. And by focusing on them, you begin to shift your energy. By connecting with the emotions these experiences evoke, joy, peace, excitement, you align with the energy of abundance. The law of attraction works when we vibrate at a frequency that matches what we desire. Money is just an energetic tool, a means to create the life you dream of. So, when you visualize your desired lifestyle, you're not just imagining what the money can do for you. You're embodying the feeling of having already received it. Take time every day to practice this kind of visualization. Picture yourself enjoying the freedom and comfort that comes with wealth. Feel the excitement of living without limitations. The more you immerse yourself in these positive emotions, the more likely the universe will deliver opportunities that align with this abundant lifestyle. Visualizing the lifestyle you desire is a powerful act of creation, turning your dreams into a magnetic reality. Start today. See it, feel it, and step into the abundance that's already on its way. When it comes to manifesting money, it's easy to get caught up in the specific numbers or material goals, but true manifestation power lies in focusing on the emotional experience of receiving money. The emotions you associate with wealth are the magnetic force that draws it into your life. By tapping into the feelings of excitement, joy, relief, and freedom, you align your energy with the flow of abundance. Manifestation is not just about wanting or visualizing money. It's about embodying the emotional vibration that wealth brings. Imagine how you would feel if the money you desire appeared in your life today. Visualize the excitement of knowing you have the financial freedom to live life on your terms. Feel the joy of being able to take that dream vacation, buy gifts for your loved ones, or even simply pay off debt without stress. What emotions arise? What would your life look like if money were no longer a concern? The key is to deeply connect with the emotional payoff of having wealth. This emotional connection doesn't just help you visualize your desires. It actually creates the energetic environment necessary for the universe to respond. When you focus on how you would feel when the money arrives, you shift your vibration to one of abundance, drawing in more opportunities to manifest what you want. The relief of financial freedom is a powerful feeling. It's the sense of being able to breathe freely, knowing that bills are paid, desires are met, and there is more than enough. By focusing on these feelings of relief, excitement, and joy, you move away from scarcity-based thoughts and align with a mindset of prosperity. Make it a daily practice to sit in the emotional experience of receiving the money. Feel what it would feel like to already have it, and let those emotions fill you up. This emotional connection is one of the most powerful tools for attracting wealth and abundance into your life. One of the most powerful tools in manifestation is your imagination. When you're focused on attracting wealth, it's important not just to think about the money, but to create vivid, specific scenarios in which you're spending that money with ease. By imagining the specific ways you would use the money in your life, you make your desires feel more real and tangible. This connection between imagination and reality is what bridges the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. Picture yourself in a situation where money flows effortlessly. For instance, imagine paying off all your debts without any stress, simply writing the check or making the transfer. Feel the sense of relief and freedom as those burdens disappear, leaving you with a feeling of accomplishment. Or picture yourself walking into a store and buying thoughtful gifts for your loved ones, perhaps a beautiful piece of jewelry for a friend or a dream vacation for your family. See the joy on their faces as you give them these gifts, and feel the warmth in your heart as you effortlessly spend money on what matters most to you. These specific scenarios help make the act of receiving and spending money feel more attainable. They create a clear picture of how you would use the wealth, which solidifies your connection to it. The more you engage your imagination in these scenarios, the more real and achievable your desires become. You begin to see yourself in that abundant reality, and this shifts your mindset. Instead of seeing wealth as something distant or impossible, it starts to feel like something that's already within your reach. By practicing these visualizations regularly, you activate your subconscious mind to start looking for opportunities to make those specific scenarios a reality. Whether it's paying off your debt, buying gifts, or treating yourself to something you've always wanted. Imagining these situations allows you to step into the energy of abundance and align with the flow of money. So, let your imagination run wild and visualize specific scenarios where money is already at your fingertips. The more real you make it, the closer you come to manifesting it. One of the most effective and fun ways to manifest money is by creating a vision board. Vision boards are powerful visual aids that allow you to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your financial goals. By collecting images, words, and symbols that represent what you want to manifest, you make your desires more tangible and reinforce your intentions every day. A vision board serves as a constant reminder of your dreams and helps keep your focus on what you're trying to attract. To get started, take some time to reflect on your financial goals. Do you want to pay off debt? Buy a new car? Take a dream vacation? Or perhaps you want to purchase your dream home? Whatever your goals may be, find images that represent them. Pictures of the things you want to manifest or words that inspire you. These could be luxury cars, scenic vacation destinations, images of spacious homes, or anything else that resonates with your vision of wealth. Even quotes like, "Abundance flows to me easily," or "Money comes to me effortlessly," can serve as powerful affirmations on your board. Once you've gathered these images and words, place them on a poster board or a digital platform where you can view them often. Organize the pictures and words in a way that speaks to you. The key is to make it visually appealing so that every time you look at it, you feel excited and energized about the possibilities ahead. This daily reinforcement of your goals helps program your subconscious mind to recognize opportunities and attract wealth into your life. A vision board doesn't just serve as a reminder, it keeps your manifestation efforts consistent. By seeing your desires every day, you mentally rehearse the life you want to create. Over time, this positive visualization builds momentum, helping you stay focused and aligned with the abundance you are bringing into your life. Start creating your vision board today and let it be a daily tool that accelerates your journey to manifesting money and achieving your financial dreams. One of the most important shifts you can make when it comes to manifesting money is changing your focus from lack to abundance. Often, we get caught up in thinking about what we don't have, whether it's not enough money, the things we wish we could buy, or the financial freedom we haven't yet achieved. However, This mindset only attracts more of what we don't want, keeping us stuck in scarcity. The key to manifesting abundance is to shift your attention to what you already have and to celebrate the blessings in your life. Start by recognizing and appreciating the small blessings around you. It could be something as simple as your good health, the relationships you cherish, or the accomplishments you've already achieved. These are all signs of abundance in your life. When you focus on what's going well, you begin to shift your energy toward the flow of prosperity that already exists. Gratitude for these things amplifies your ability to manifest more of what you desire. Visualize how these blessings will expand with the addition of financial abundance. Imagine how much more you could enjoy your good health if you had the resources to take better care of yourself, eat the foods you love, or travel to places that nurture your well-being. Picture how your relationships would thrive if you had the financial freedom to spend quality time with your loved ones or help them in ways you've always dreamed of. See how your achievements could grow and impact others with the right amount of financial support. By focusing on what you already have, you align with the energy of abundance, which in turn attracts more opportunities for wealth. The universe doesn't respond to what you lack, but to the energy you put out. So, instead of focusing on your current circumstances or financial challenges, focus on the abundance that surrounds you. Celebrate it, feel grateful for it, and watch as the universe expands your blessings to include the financial freedom you desire. Shifting your focus to abundance is not just a mental exercise, it's a way of living. When you embrace the idea that you already have everything you need to thrive, you create space for even more prosperity to enter your life. One of the most powerful ways to manifest money is to act as if you already have it. This might sound counterintuitive at first. After all, how can you act like you have money if you don't? But the truth is, your external reality is a reflection of your internal beliefs and actions. When you begin to take steps and make choices that reflect the confidence and mindset of someone who is already wealthy, you send a clear signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. This shift in behavior can dramatically accelerate your manifestation process. Start by engaging in actions that reflect the belief that wealth is already yours. For example, you could browse luxury items online, look at designer clothing, watches, or accessories that you would love to own. Imagine yourself wearing these items, walking confidently through the world, as if you already have the means to purchase them. Similarly, take a look at real estate listings for homes or apartments in your desired neighborhood. Don't just browse, engage with the listings emotionally. Picture yourself living in that dream home, enjoying the space and the luxury it provides. Visualize how your life would change with that kind of abundance. Another great way to act as if is to research luxury services or experiences you'd love to enjoy, like spa treatments, fine dining, or even private travel. By mentally stepping into the life you desire, you align your vibration with abundance, signaling to the universe that you are ready for more. You don't need to purchase these items or services right away. The act of mentally engaging with them is enough to shift your mindset. The key to this exercise is to consistently reflect the mindset and behaviors of someone who already has wealth. The more you immerse yourself in this energy, the more you start to embody it. Your confidence and belief in your ability to attract money will grow stronger. And before long, you'll notice that the opportunities to manifest wealth begin to show up in your life. Acting as if is a simple yet profound way to step into the abundant life you're meant to live. One of the most effective ways to manifest more money is by cultivating a deep sense of gratitude, not just for the money you already have, but also for the money that is on its way. Gratitude is a powerful energy that sends a signal to the universe that you are open and ready to receive even more abundance. The more grateful you are for what you already have, the more you align yourself with the energy of wealth, which in turn attracts more money into your life. Start by acknowledging and appreciating the money that's already present in your life, no matter how small the amount. Whether it's your paycheck, savings, or even the spare change in your wallet, recognizing these blessings sends a message of abundance. Take a moment each day to thank the universe for providing you with financial resources and feel the gratitude in your heart as you reflect on how these resources have helped you meet your needs. Equally important is practicing gratitude for the money that is on its way. Even if you don't see it yet, trust that it's coming. Visualize the flow of money entering your life with ease and grace. Imagine checks, deposits, or unexpected gifts arriving in your bank account, and feel the excitement of knowing that your financial desires are being fulfilled. Be thankful for how the money shows up, whether it comes from planned efforts like a promotion or investment, or from unexpected sources like a gift or windfall. The key is to remain grateful for the process and trust that everything is unfolding as it should. This practice of gratitude works like a magnet. When you focus on the abundance that's already in your life, you open the channel for more to flow in. Gratitude shifts your energy from lack to abundance, creating a positive feedback loop that attracts more financial blessings. The more you appreciate what you already have, the more you align yourself with the flow of prosperity. So, practice gratitude every day for the money already in your life and for the abundance that is on its way. You'll be amazed at how quickly it starts to manifest. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope these 3 strange tips have opened your mind to new ways of manifesting money and abundance in your life. Remember, manifestation isn't just about wishing for things. It's about aligning with the energy of what you want. If you start practicing these tips today, you could see some surprising results. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below and let me know which of these tips you're most excited to try, or if you've already used one of them and seen some success. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you never miss out on more tips to help you manifest your dream life. Until next time, stay abundant and keep manifesting those dreams into reality.